All right. This is a read aloud of the Reduce Waste Comprehension. I will not be marking answers because I want you to go back to the text. The first one, I hope you get right. It says, write your name. Oh, good luck. All right. Next question. According to the text, what is reduction? Is it the practice of using more of something, resulting in a greater amount of waste? The practice of growing your own food and making your own clothes. The practice of buying products that have flashy and fun packaging. The practice of using less of something, resulting in a smaller amount of waste. Please go back to your passage if you're not sure because it is in there. According to the text, what are some ways you can reduce your waste when shopping? Select all. Hint, it says 3 points over in this section, so I would pick 3 answers. Only buy what you want. Use less. Avoid single-serving containers. Use mostly bottled water. If you don't need a bag, don't take a bag. So these are not worded as exactly as they are in the text. However, you can read the text and figure this out. People can reduce waste by making smarter buying decisions. What information from the text best supports this statement? So we're looking for a statement that tells about people can reduce waste by being smarter when they buy. You can reduce waste by selecting products that are wasteful in their packaging. When you buy 1 or 2 items at a store, carry them out in your hands or take a reusable bag with you to carry. Whenever possible, use the internet to obtain, which means get, and pay bills, news, catalogs, stock reports, and other information that usually comes to your house in a paper format. Grass, leaves, paper, and some other types of food can naturally decay and turn into compost, and that compost can be put to good use into your garden. I have a feeling this might trick you up a bit because there are some statements in here that are actual facts, but you need to find the fact that supports the smarter buying decisions. So really focus on smarter buying decisions. What argument does the author make in the text? So what is this author trying to convince you to do or not to do? Is it reducing the amount of products and materials we use is hard? Is this author trying to tell us that this is a hard thing to do? It is best to practice reduction in order to limit the amount of waste we produce. People should buy whatever products they want without worrying about how they are affecting the environment. People produce more waste today than they did 100 years ago. Now, you guys, most of these are facts that are listed in there, but we're trying to say, what is the argument? What is this author trying to get us to realize? So what's our wake-up call here? Okay, we have a few drop-down menus here. Buy blank rather than diluted products. Durable, concentrates, packaged. Use blank items rather than disposable items whenever possible. Durable, concentrate, and packaged. Now, you might say there are some answers that can be used in both of these. Go back to the text because it is a right there text-dependent question. Buy less of durable, concentrates, or packaged food by starting a garden. So each one, there's 1, 2, 3 in these drop downs, and there's 3 questions. Every answer will only be used 1 time. You guys, I'm sorry, my dog is whining in the background. Almost done. Based on the text, why is growing your own food a good way to reduce waste? This food needs to be packaged and transported, so more energy and materials are spent. This food does not need to be packaged or transported, so less energy and fewer materials are spent. This food does not require other ingredients to be cooked, so less energy and fewer materials are spent. This food is more delicious, so people eat it up all and none is wasted. So really go back to your text again. There is a direct statement there. I gotta hurry. I think my dog has to go potty. What is the main idea of this text? Are we trying to talk about buying in bulk? A large amount so that is not divided into separate containers gives you the best product to package ratio. Was this all about buying in bulk? There are a number of ways you can reduce the amount of products you use and the waste you create. If all the other people on Earth used as much stuff as we do in the United States, there would need to be 3 to 5 times more space just to hold and sustain everybody. You can save money and reduce waste by keeping durable items longer and repairing them when they break, rather than buying new ones. So just remember, when you're looking at main idea, it has to match the entire text, not just a paragraph of the text. So which one goes with every single thing you have read about this article? Good luck. Message me if you need any more help, and I miss you guys.